Ito na, natuloy na kami sa Emerald Lake pero hapon na, alas 8 na ng gabi. Natuloy na kami sa Emerald Lake. Ito pala yung Emerald Lake. Alas 8 na ng gabi. Alas 8 na ng gabi. Pero bahala na lang. Basta natuloy kami. Ang ganda nga pala siya. Blue na blue, no? Ganda ng view. Ganda. Ganda talaga siya. Diba? No, diba? Nice. Hmm?
See the loon?
What's that?
There's a loon that just went underwater.
Anong tubig eh. Blue na blue. Huh? There's a fish? Tingnan mo ang lodge dito. Worth 1,500 daw ito. Pag mag-stay. Ganda oh. Oh wow. Where's the fish?
See all the fish jumping? That's why the
Oh, there is a fish.
all those tiny creatures that goes from there. The fish coming up and grabbing a. Yeah, like that.
Honey, look at that, honey.
Oh, there's a
Look at
loon.
honey. Look at that. I like the shadow of the trees, honey. Oh, I like it. Very beautiful. Beautiful Emerald Lake. Diba? Oh, ganda. Ganda din eh.
Yeah, if you're watching.
Ganda pala dito pag hapon na walang tao. What, honey?
Yeah. There's a fish coming. There's a fish coming up. And then you see the little one jump out of the water.
$500.
Oh, that's kind of cheap.
Okay. Bye na. Emerald Lake. Kita ako ng Emerald Lake. Ayan. May mga kano dito. $500 daw yun. Yan na, di ba ang ganda? Ganda pala dito pag gabi. Hindi crowded. Ano to?
$100 an hour.
$100 an hour.
And you can't bring your own canoe here.
Here, honey, look. Honey, come here.